Alright guys, we'll do a quick status of the booth. I got different skillets, my cowboy skillets, a whole bunch of corn stick pans, some stainless, some Pyrex. Got some different sizes, and we're going to move into some of the fryers. Got an old Chicago, some Wagners, some BSRs, and then into some number 10s. I got Lodge, BSR, and then some 8s. We're going to go to 8s, and then I got some 7s here. Got an Able Skeever pan, then we've got some different 8s like the Initial, the SMS. Got some Wagners, 8s, 6s, 5s, and 3s. Got a couple of Griswolds, squares. Got a cool mirror. Go down here, I've got a whole bunch of extra skillets, a lot of 3-notch Lodge. Got a Griswold popover pan, some little breadstick pans. I got an Eagle, got a Stadium cake pan that's pretty cool. Got some 10 SKs and 8 SKs. Got some corn stick pans, some more bread pans. I've got some muffin pans. You go over here, I've got some enameled stuff on top. Then a whole bunch of my extra BSR, Wagner, and Lodge 6, 5s, and 3s. And then a couple of aluminum pieces. Then over here I've got a lot of my Dutch ovens and fryers on 2 different rows. Some Wagners, BSRs, some different assorted ones. And then I've got some grill pans and some different muffin pans. Some square grill pans, some big griddles. That's a nice old Lodge. Here's another Lodge that they actually made to go into a stove. Here's the toy section. Got a whole bunch of little stuff, wagons, little corn stick pans, some little stoves in the back. Got some turkey pans. Got a little copper thing. Got a sad iron heater over there. Some more trivets. And then down here we got some cake pans. And then we'll swing the middle. We've got an old Werco kettle, some assorted, looks mostly some Wagners and different Dutch ovens that I didn't have lids for. And then I got a pressure cooker. So if y'all need anything, just let me know.